Because of our continued sponsorship this year from RC Disco Xray, we've got a new kit for 2019. So this is the Xray RX8.2 2019 edition. So I thought I'd do an unboxing of this kit so you can see what it's like unboxed. So this is what we've got here. The box looks like. So as always, you've got your little certificate of authentication there. Got an instruction book, all important stickers put all over the shelves. I don't normally open them because I will normally get the details offline, but I just wanted to show you what these instruction books look like inside. They're like super brilliant detail, and they all start like this. So this bit here is telling you that you're going to build the front suspension part, and it lists like everything that you're going to do in every part. And then it goes into the intricate details of like the bits that you've got to build now on each part. So that's kind of cool because then you've got like a reference point right at the beginning that you know you can look back to with like all the part numbers. Okay. It's really well thought out. All the manuals that I've used from Xray have all been the same. And then the bags on the kits for Xray, as you build them, they're numbered bags, so the bags are relevant to the bit that you're building at the time. So got the clutch there, that's just some electrical bits, suspension, top deck, and all the radio gear to go with it. Because I have built kits before in the past where the bags aren't relevant to the section that you're doing, they'll just be relevant to the type of piece, so whether it's belts or whether it's like the kingpins or something like that, or the plastics. So it's kind of nice when you first build in a kit when the bags are relevant to the part that you're doing. So, and also you get this in every bag. Bit of a gimmick by Xray, I think, more than anything, but it tells you the person that's bagged this for you. So if you're missing anything, you can cause them to have a bad day at work. So that's all the rear end of the car there. Middle bit of the car, midsection, bearings and everything. Bearings that come with the Xray kit. I don't know whether they are ceramic, I don't think they are, but they're just so super free. I've never experienced kit bearings like it, and considering the fact that these will be like full of grease at this point in time as well, I will show as I build the kit, and you'll just see how free it is instantly. Some shocker oil there, that's part of the steering mechanism there. That's the rear end plastics, petrol tank. And usually on this kit, compared to a lot of kits, we do actually use the tank that comes with it. it's a good tank. Most kits in my lifetime have always swapped, and because the kits are always tanks are always rubber. Rear pulleys and pulleys for the rest of the kit, for a portion of the kit in there by the looks of things. And it's just the ends, it's just a bumper. They're probably just some spare bits. They're quite nice to the Xray, and they give you some spare bits, some spare screws and stuff. Rear crossbar, and then that's what the chassis looks like in the 2019 kit compared to the 2018 kit. And as far as I'm aware, the main difference on this kit compared to last year's kit is that the rear of the car is a bit narrower, where it fixes the rear wishbones in the centre. I think the front end's the same thickness though. And then they've also changed like the flex on the rear as well. There's more flex that you can achieve on the rear parts of the car. So, as I expected, all looks pretty cool in there. So we're going to start a video now of building this kit. Cheers.